Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're checking out something really exciting, the LG 8kg 5-star smart inverter top load washing machine. It looks sleek, feels premium and comes loaded with smart tech that makes washing easier than ever.
It's powerful, quiet and super energy efficient, perfect for modern families who want spotless laundry without the effort. So, let's see what makes this LG washing machine stand out. Let's start with design and build. The machine comes in a stylish middle black finish that gives a modern touch to any home. It's a fully automatic top-load model, so once you choose your program, it handles everything, wash to spin dry. The sturdy steel body and semi-stainless steel drum prevent rust and ensure long life. On top, you get a clear LED display and soft touch buttons that make it simple for anyone to operate. This LG model has a large 8kg drum, ideal for families of 4 to 6 members. From daily wear to bed sheets and towels, it handles heavy loads with ease. You can wash more clothes in fewer cycles, saving both time and water. Perfect for medium or large households that do frequent laundry. The highlight here is LG's smart inverter technology. It automatically adjusts motor power based on the load using only the energy needed for each cycle. That means up to 36% energy savings and less noise. Plus, it's 5-star BEE rated, giving you top-tier efficiency and long-term savings. Powerful yet whisper-quiet performance. When it comes to wash performance, LG's Turbo Drum does the heavy lifting. The drum and pulsator spin in opposite directions, creating a strong water flow that removes stubborn dirt and stains. With 740 RPM spin speed, clothes come out cleaner and almost dry, cutting down your drying time. It's gentle on fabrics but tough on stains, the perfect balance. The LG Smart Inverter washing machine gives you a powerful, gentle and energy-saving wash every time. Now watch the turbo drum in action. First, the agitating motion moves clothes back and forth to loosen dirt. Then, the swing motion creates a soft wave-like wash for delicate fabrics. And finally, the rotating power wash. The pulsator spins opposite the drum to create strong water flow that removes every bit of dirt. You get 8 wash programs designed for every need. There's normal for daily loads, quick wash for light clothes, gentle for delicates like wool or saris, and strong mode for heavy fabrics. You also get pre-wash plus normal for stained clothes, rinse plus, aqua reserve to reuse water, and tub clean to keep the drum fresh. Whatever your laundry type, this LG machine has you covered. Now for the smart extras. The Smart Diagnosis feature lets you connect the machine to the LG Smart ThinQ app. If there's a problem, the app instantly detects it and gives you quick troubleshooting steps. No need for a technician's visit. You also get auto pre-wash, just one touch and it removes tough stains before the main wash. Small touches that make life easier and smarter. LG backs this model with a 2-year comprehensive warranty and a 10-year motor warranty. That says a lot about the brand's confidence in its build quality. You can claim support easily using your Amazon invoice or through LG's website. Durable design, trusted service, and strong warranty, all bundled together. This washing machine is both energy and water efficient. It uses about 0.0085 kilowatt-hour per kilogram per cycle and around 15.5 liters of water per kilogram. So even with regular use, you will see real savings on your electricity and water bills. Great for eco-friendly households. If you're a medium or large family or upgrading from a semi-automatic model, this is a fantastic choice. You get modern design, smart inverter motor, multiple wash programs and quiet operation, all at a great value. The LG 8kg 5-star smart inverter top load delivers on power, performance and reliability. If you want a washing machine that's powerful, energy saving and built to last, this one's definitely worth your attention. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more honest tech reviews.